Music is my language. It is how I connect to my Māoritanga.
We're proud to be Māori, so we want to do some more Māori waiata, just to normalise it, you know.
He oranga nui ki roto I te waiata, he oranga nui ki roto I te reo Māori, ana ka mārenatia e rā mea e rua, ka puta he oranga nui mo Aotearoa whānui.
Sometimes the greatest success is learning to appreciate the things that matter the most.
My hopes for the waiata, own who you are and don't be whakamao of who you are.
Te ao Māori are the mainstream. We've been the mainstream for over 1,000 years.
Being in the studio and hearing Māori songs, it fills the cup.
I love creating Aotearoa Māori. There's nothing like it.
Kāri tuatui ngā kaupapa pēnei waiata anthems.
It's nice to be a part of keeping te reo Māori alive.